Hey guys, looking for powerful ozone generator to tackle odors and refresh your space? This model offers up to 2500 mAh ozone output designed to handle even the toughest tasks. Its compact portable design features a built-in timer so you can easily set it up to run for the designed duration, making it both convenient and efficient. Whether you're dealing with a basement car or large spaces, this device is a reliable choice for eliminating unwanted smells. The robust construction and user-friendly controls make it easy to use and maintain, perfect for both home and professional settings. If you're serious about keeping your environment fresh and clean, this ozone generator is worth considering.